We scattered across the galaxy, hoping to find it and rebuild our home, searching every star.
Kiki Kokoki. What the fuck? Boom! Boom! Wow, wow, wow. Boom! 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 No! Boom! 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 Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Whoa, nice headers. You've got a high-rise double-pump carburetor. That's pretty impressive, Sam.
Double pump?
It squirts the fuel in so you can go faster.
Oh. I like to go faster.
It looks like your distributor cap's a little loose.
This is your favorite toy? This is your favorite toy? Yeah, this.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Give me that shit, punk. Yeah, what the fuck?
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
My name is Optimus Prime. Just give it a like, and we can make Transformers 2, motherfucker. We are here. We are waiting. Where I go and face myself. Yeah.